Have you ever picked up your phone just to check one notification? 5 minutes later, you're watching random videos, then another one, then another. You finally look at the clock, and somehow an entire hour has disappeared. Or maybe you've told yourself, I'll start eating healthier tomorrow. But somehow, tomorrow never comes. You order fast food again. Promise yourself it's the last time, and then you do it all over again. If this sounds familiar, you're not lazy, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. The truth is, your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. It loves bad habits, not because they're bad, but because they're easy. Your brain has one important job: keep you alive, while using as little energy as possible. Thousands of years ago, this was a brilliant survival strategy. Food was scarce. Life was dangerous. Saving energy increased your chances of surviving. But today, that same survival system creates a completely different problem. Your brain is constantly asking one simple question: what's the easiest way to feel good right now? That's why your phone feels impossible to ignore. Every notification, every like, every new video gives your brain a tiny reward. It's called dopamine. Many people think dopamine is the happiness chemical. It isn't. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you want more. It creates anticipation, curiosity, the feeling that maybe the next swipe, the next video, or the next notification will be even better. And that's exactly why it's so hard to stop scrolling. The same thing happens with junk food. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a wild berry and a chocolate bar. It simply recognizes something sweet, something high in calories, and says, eat it while you can. Thousands of years ago, that instinct kept humans alive. Today, it keeps snack companies in business. Now think about exercise, reading, saving money, learning a new skill. Why do those things feel so difficult? Because the reward doesn't come immediately. You don't get stronger after one workout. You don't become wealthy after saving $20. You don't become smarter after reading 10 pages. The reward comes later. And your brain hates waiting. It always chooses the shortcut. That's why bad habits don't feel like decisions anymore. They become automatic. Feeling bored? Open TikTok. Feeling stressed? Eat something sweet. Feeling lonely? Scroll social media. Feeling tired? Skip the workout. Over time, your brain connects these actions with comfort. It builds shortcuts. And before you realize it, those shortcuts become habits. Here's the interesting part. Most people try to break bad habits using willpower. But willpower is limited. Think about it. Have you ever tried avoiding cookies while they're sitting right in front of you? Eventually, your brain gets tired of resisting. That's why people often fail. Not because they're weak, because they're fighting the wrong battle. Instead of changing yourself, change your environment. If you want to use your phone less, don't leave it beside your bed. If you want to stop eating junk food, don't keep it in your kitchen. If you want to read more, leave a book where you normally leave your phone. Make bad habits harder. Make good habits easier. Your environment shapes your behavior far more than your motivation ever will. Here's a simple example. Imagine there's a bowl of candy on your desk. You'll probably eat some without even thinking. Now imagine that same candy is locked inside a box, in another room. Suddenly, eating it requires effort. The habit becomes less automatic. The same principle works in reverse. Want to drink more water? Keep a bottle on your desk. Want to exercise? Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Tiny changes create surprisingly big results. And here's something most people never realize. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. A goal gives you direction, but your daily habits determine where you actually end up. So stop asking, how do I get rid of bad habits? Instead ask, how can I make good habits easier and bad habits harder? Because your brain will always look for the easiest path. Your job is to make sure that path leads somewhere better. At the end of the day, your habits shape your future far more than your intentions ever will. Every small choice, Every single day is like casting a vote for the person you're becoming. Choose wisely. If this video changed the way you think about habits, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.